Welcome to Crypto Blush, Flush Crypto Blush. This week we are into the we are not picked up any kind of random things, but here we have picked up one of the cryptocurrency is a hyperliquid, and we will speak about it. The hyperliquid cryptocurrency, this is only have a limited, this is for Indian market. Okay, crypto blush is for Indian market. We are suggesting over here one or two currency will be for limited exchanges in crypto exchanges, and other exchanges means worldwide the people know there are 2 to 3 currencies we can recommended over here for this week. And this hyperliquid is a hype, it has listed at the penny points. I think it's more around 100, but today's the price of hyperliquid is around 3169 rupees. So this has literally worth for you. If you see, I mean, if you see, this is really worth, means within a year it has given good returns of hyperliquid. Okay, this cryptocurrency. Anyways, we will not give it to you details about what hyperliquid, how it works, or which algorithm they supported. Right now we are only doing a chart analysis. So hyperliquid, if you are from the few of the exchanges, because I guess so hype is not available on all exchanges. On which exchanges it is available, let me know. How many number of exchanges hype is available to invest it in USDT or USD, or any airdrop you have received till now, or any free gift from their founder, have you received it? Let me know into the comment, because as far as I knew it, this hyperliquid has really haven't seen it. But anyways, as I seen the returns within in a year, I think this currency has listed quite year back. Probably, I'm not so sure, in the 2024 or somewhere. Okay, let me know into the comments when it has been listed, so we will make a new video. And right now we are giving this 3500 INR will be the next pick of this hyperliquid, means 500 rupees. You will see the profit in this hyperliquid as a target within for next 6 months. We can say up to maximum 6 months, not a 6 months. Very soon it will completed. I'm not aware what I can say, but hyperliquid can give it to you probably good returns in a short time. Are you believe in crypto blush analysis? Let me know, because last week I had given the analysis for 2 to 3 coins, but those are, some of them are altcoin. Yes, I have seen one of the altcoin kind of thing which has been listed on some of the exchanges, but I haven't seen those coins are available on other exchanges which is internationally known for cryptocurrencies. So what exactly going into the market, I am little bit not aware, because I have to go in the deep dive analysis how it really cryptocurrencies or their altcoins really work, or the major coin is working, or what they're based on their strategy, and it has really worth it. If you wanted to suggest any recommendation of courses for our YouTube audience of crypto blush, let me know, because as I seen there are a number of visitors on our crypto blush, but they are not subscribing it. See, crypto blush is available only for cryptocurrency, and Vridivage Finance is available for exchange analysis or stock analysis. So it's a share analysis is a Vridivage Finance. Don't subscribe it crypto blush if you really want cryptocurrencies analysis over here. So hyperliquid, suppose it goes down, it can goes around 2800 points INR one coin is equals to. So here is the market cap we will not speak about it right now. I have randomly selected this chart analysis from one of the exchange. So how many number of exchanges are you using? Let me know it, because I'm little bit unaware, or you can say I'm growing with all of you. I know that all masters, all techies know they makes videos, and they makes videos to know it, or they are doing some content creation for someone else. So let me know how to dig it all the detail, how many number of exchanges Hyperliquid is available, and what sort of algorithm Hyperliquid is. Means if you really want, you can put it everything. Yes, I can go and check out on the detail, but cryptocurrencies is like one day it is listed, another day it has been out of the market. I mean, there are 2 to 3 coins which is really worth taking, I think so, since last 10 years. I'm not aware Hyperliquid will sustain in 10 next 10 years. Then I will be available for analysis and you will be my audience. I guess so. So, do you believe to invest in hype? Let me know it and to the comments. So, we will not speak anything sad, and that welcome to Crypto Blush. Find the flush, and with the flush your money, have a cryptocurrency in your wallet, and make a crypto blush. I mean, it's not, we are not the exchange where we are offering something, or we are not a MetaMask or something. Yeah, we will give it to you, our link where you can earn it from the crypto exchanges. Not at all. We will not share anything as of now. So if you really crypto blush, we will start another group on our Vridivej Finance. Is a subsidiary of Crypto Blush. Is a subsidiary of Crypto. Vridivej Finance. Crypto Blush is a subsidiary of Vridivej Finance, because Vridivej Finance we have started earlier, and Crypto Blush we have started a year later, I guess. So it's our another footprint of the year, and this year I think we are completing 3 years. So anyways, we will make, as like other YouTube content creator, we will make video on every week. So if you suggest any app coin, tag coin, pap coin, TTDC, whatsoever coin, if you really want, we had to make a video. Let me know into the comments. We are not from some of the country who makes a scammer videos. Okay, we are India, and Crypto Blush, Crypto Blush. So if we are helping Indians to invest in few of the coins which is available on exchanges, but we are not responsible for your any loss. Please note that. Study before invested into the cryptocurrencies. You have to think yourself whether you want to invest or whether you don't want to invest, because money goes, don't return back to your wallet. It has just go as air passing. So sometimes only, I'm not aware what sort of, no, see, cryptocurrencies, cyber security, cyber fraud really booming into the market. So which C you want, let me know into the comment.